Hello everyone and welcome to Mona's Eastern Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a vegetarian dish which is ideally prepared during the winter season. It is a dish prepared with baby potatoes and coriander leaves. This is a traditional recipe by my mother-in-law, so let's get started. To prepare this dish you'll need 500 grams of baby potatoes boiled and peeled, half teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 whole dry red chili, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons of mustard oil, 8 to 10 pods of garlic, 4 to 5 green chilies, 1½ cups of coriander leaves along with the stem, 2 medium-sized tomatoes, and salt to taste. Take a grinding jar and add the garlic pods, green chilies, tomatoes, coriander leaves, a little bit of water, and grind it into a fine paste. Take a kadhai or a wok, add the mustard oil and let it smoke. Once the oil is heated, add the boiled potatoes, turmeric powder, salt, and fry till the potatoes turn golden brown in color. Remove and keep aside. In the same oil, add cumin seeds, red chili, and let it splutter. Now add the coriander paste, salt, and cook till the oil separates. Then add the coriander powder and cook it for 2 minutes. Then add the fried potatoes, mix it well, cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Now add a cup of water and cook till the water is completely absorbed, or cook till you get the consistency of your desired gravy. Your baby potato in coriander curry is ready to be served. Enjoy it with some hot puris, paratha, or a chapati. If you enjoyed the video, then please like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and share this recipe with your family and friends.